Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country, and you've joined me here today on Upper Holly Walk, one of Leamington Spa's most desirable streets, where we have this extremely substantial and beautifully modified detached villa. We've got generous proportions throughout. As soon as you come through the electric gates, we've got parking for a dozen vehicles, a large detached double garage, and at the rear, again, substantial gardens. Let's take a look inside. You've joined me in the generous and beautifully landscaped rear garden of this fabulous home. We've got numerous seating areas, a fantastic garden room, and coming off the kitchen, dining, living area, we've got a substantial patio. It really is a special place to entertain. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.